Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Z-Hoop in Bambu Studio. So look at the left side panel under the filament section. Click the small edit icon. It looks like a notepad and pencil or, next to your chosen filament. If you don't see that, you will probably just see this circle with three horizontal dots in it. So click on that. Then what you need to do is click on Edit. And right here in this window, Filament Settings, select Setting Overrides. And look for the Z-hop when retracting section. So Z-hop when retract. So this one here, like that, this one. So check the box next to the Z-hop height. So we need to find height right here to unlock it. So yeah, this one, Z-hop when retract, and change the number to your desired height. So standard, as you can see, 0.4 millimeter, but you can use 0.6 millimeters or higher if your nozzle is dragging. Then what you are going to do is click the save at the top of the window here, this floppy disk, and yeah, you will need to remain to, I don't know, here you will change Z-hop. So name it as that you will know what you have changed in these settings. Click OK. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.